Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore PayPal account after limitation review detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the PayPal website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the notification regarding your account limitation. Click on the notification to understand the specific reasons for the limitation. Take note of the requirements mentioned in the notification. Prepare the necessary documents that PayPal requests for the review process. Ensure that these documents are clear, legible, and in the correct format. Gather any additional information that may support your case. Visit the Resolution Center within your PayPal account. Select the option that pertains to the account limitation. Upload the required documents and any additional information you have prepared. Double-check that all uploads are complete and correctly formatted. Submit your documentation through the Resolution Center. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your submission. PayPal may take several business days to review your appeal. Monitor your email for updates from PayPal regarding the status of your account limitation. If your account is restored, you will receive instructions on what to do next. In case of rejection, carefully read the explanation provided. Consider re-evaluating the submitted documents or appealing again if necessary. If needed, you can contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. Stay patient throughout the review process, as it may take time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.